Hey everyone, welcome back to another how-to video here. I'm going to show you how to use video chat or vision on Chat GPT-4o. Chat GPT-4o now comes with exciting video chat and vision capabilities. So, without further ado, let's learn more. First of all, uploading an image. Start by uploading an image that is the subject of your discussion or analysis during the video chat. It can be anything, a screenshot, a photo, or any visual content. Chat GPT-4o will process the image to analyze it and provide relevant information. It can provide description for a scene, telling you what's happening in the image. It can recognize objects, identifying objects, people, or animals. It can generate captions, creating descriptive captions for videos or images. It can even narrate a story by analyzing the image, providing an interactive subject of discussion. You can even ask questions related to the objects or scenery in the image. For example, what is this object? Who is this in the picture? Or, can you describe the background? Chat GPT-4o will answer all of your questions regarding the image. Another very cool feature of Chat GPT-4o is that you can enjoy real-time interaction. Chat GPT-4o provides real-time responses. This can make the ongoing conversation more engaging and interactive. Remember that Chat GPT-4o vision capabilities are continually improving, so there are even more exciting features to come in the future. That's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want to keep getting more such interesting AI-related content, and see you in the next video.